Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. In this episode, we are going to talk about Huawei Nova 5 Pro, the flagship version. Huawei released its new smartphone Nova 5, the high-end version called Pro. But before the start of the video, as usual, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website links are in the description. So let's start this video. A new teaser reveals a handful of information about the handset. The teaser confirmed that the handset is going with 5 different colors. All these colors of the Huawei Nova 5 Pro are going to be eye-catching and attractive as well. Some information about back of the smartphone. The back panel of the smartphone will come equipped with 4 rear camera setup along with LED flash. The new Huawei Nova 5 packed with latest rear camera setup, as most of the high-end smartphones are now coming with the triple, delta and even penta rear sensor. It shows the upcoming Nova 5 Pro by Huawei will be a high-end phone. The main sensor of the rear camera setup is 48 megapixel, the ultra-wide angle will be 16 megapixel, depth sensor will be 5 megapixel, force sensor will be 2 megapixel, and there will be TFT lens as well. All of the lenses are placed at the same shell. Huawei Nova 5 Pro is coming with 6.39 inches AMOLED display screen that will present you Full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The waterdrop notch display screen is now coming with Nova 5 Pro that will host a 25 megapixel front-facing camera. The smartphone is fueled with 3500 mAh battery capacity. The high-end 5 Pro has a rear fingerprint reader right under the LED flash. Samsung will be facing some hard times. Huawei Nova 5 Pro will be launched.